Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm doing this video on the Drocon hacker. It is the GD-60, that's what it's known as well. It's a miniature mini drone, and I'm going to open it up and do this quick unboxing and do a little quick test flight as well. So hold on one second while I open it up. Alright, so this is the Drocon hacker. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. Comes in a nice little plastic case. Take off the top cover, and here is the miniature drone itself. So you can see it fits right in the palm of your hand. It's pretty nice. So I'm going to put it right there while I take out the rest of the stuff that's inside. We have the remote control. We have the manual. That seems to be in German. You have it in English, and I think you have it in other languages as well. You have this free promotional card where it offers free VR glasses, so that's nice. We have a little USB cord for charging the quad. You have a miniature Phillips screwdriver and some extra props in here. Alright, so let's start with the miniature quadcopter here, the Drocon GD-60, as you can see right there. It has a triple bladed props, which is really cool. So like the, those FPV drones. It does come with a miniature camera that's fixed. You can't adjust it, and it records in 720p, which would be 1280 by 720 resolution. Same for pictures, so you can do both photos and videos with this thing. I wouldn't expect it to be like the best quality, but it's fun. You have these little miniature brushed core motors. So you can see the battery there. I'm not sure what kind of battery is in there, but you can't remove it unless you unscrew these. Maybe then you can remove it that way. But yeah, you have the on and off button here, and you have the USB port for charging it. So I'm going to turn it on here. It should have some charge. So if I turn it on there, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. You see those lights blinking. It's on, and the back is blinking as well. Once you turn on the remote control and bind it, pair it, it should stop and stay steady. It has your SD card slot here, which you can insert for recording all of your footage. And yeah, so let me turn this off 1 second while I continue here with the remote control. So this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless controller. It has here your speed. It has a 3-speed mode, so you have 1, 2, 3. Also it has 3D flips, so if you hold it like that, press up, down, or sideways, it's going to flip in that direction. It has your 3-channel and 4-channel buttons, which also functions for taking pictures. So this is your picture and this is video. These are your trim buttons. So if the quad is, when you take off and it starts to drift a little bit to the side, you would, trim it and it'll balance it out. It doesn't have any barometer inside of it, so it's non-altitude hold, so it's a free flyer. It's gonna fly, and you're gonna have to manually fly it without depending on the barometer to keep it in place. It's like these quads here, the Bug 6 and the Bugs 3, which if you married these two together, this is what they would have as a child. It's kind of cute. It's great for kids 14 years plus, but I'd say a kid 12 years old can fly this no problem, you know. But being that it's labeled as so, let's leave it at that. These are the extra tri-bladed props, and as you can see, they're very flexible. So if I do this to them, sorry about the automatic exposure and the lighting. The sun is just, you know, coming and going. But anyway, going back to the props, as you can see, they're very flexible. So this thing, if it bumps into a wall or falls down on the ground, it'll probably survive the fall. So you have your USB cord. You connect this to a phone adapter, you know, and you plug it in to your outlet, and then you just plug this part in here, and you'll see a red light up here. So once the red light goes off, that means it's fully charged and you're ready to fly. You have your Phillips screwdriver, and this would be for opening this up, the remote control to place your AAA batteries, which, by the way, this uses 2 AAA batteries, so it doesn't come included with it. You have to provide that yourself. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You have your on and off button here and your LED light indicator. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real quick how this works. You turn the quad on, you see the lights blinking. Before that, you want to insert your SD card if you plan on recording anything or taking pictures. Turn on your remote. You hear it, now it's paired. You can see the lights are steady on. Before flying it, now you want to calibrate it. So you do this. And once you hear that loud beep, that means it's calibrated. So if you just press a little bit here on them, they'll just start to spin just very slightly. 1 second. And you see how it spins. It's really nice. I'll fly it in a second here, but I just wanted to show you how delicate this throttle stick is here. I mean, you don't even have to. You just move it a little 1/4 of an inch and it just turns on. See that? What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a quick little fly around to show you how it flies, and I'll end this video with that. I'll leave a link below the description as well if you want to purchase it. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I do upload a new video. And if you can add a like down here, that would be awesome. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up, clear this table and set it up to give it a short little test flight.